Take a ride in the 2023 Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec 5.3-liter V8 with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist, stability control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.